Hey everyone! Want to whiten your teeth quickly at home? Here are some effective tricks and remedies to get that sparkling smile. 1. Baking soda and hydrogen peroxide. Mix a small amount of baking soda with hydrogen peroxide to form a paste. Brush your teeth with this mixture for about 2 minutes, then rinse thoroughly. Baking soda helps scrub away surface stains, while hydrogen peroxide acts as a bleaching agent. 2. Coconut oil pulling. Swish a tablespoon of coconut oil in your mouth for 10 to 15 minutes. Spit it out, don't swallow it, then rinse with water and brush your teeth. This ancient practice helps remove bacteria and plaque, contributing to whiter teeth. 3. Apple cider vinegar. Dilute apple cider vinegar with water, 1 part vinegar to 2 parts water, and use it as a mouthwash. Swish it around for a minute, then rinse thoroughly with water. It's mildly acidic and can help remove stains. 4. Activated charcoal. Brush your teeth gently with activated charcoal powder. It binds to toxins and surface stains, lifting them off your teeth. Rinse thoroughly and brush with regular toothpaste afterward to remove any residue. 5. Lemon and baking soda. Mix a small amount of baking soda with fresh lemon juice to form a paste. Brush your teeth with this mixture for 1 to 2 minutes, then rinse thoroughly. Use this sparingly as lemon juice is acidic and can erode enamel if used too frequently. 6. Strawberry and baking soda. Mash a ripe strawberry and mix it with a teaspoon of baking soda. Apply the mixture to your teeth using a toothbrush and leave it on for 5 minutes. Brush your teeth with regular toothpaste afterward to remove any residue. 7. Banana peel. Rub the inside of a banana peel on your teeth for about 2 minutes. The minerals in the peel, such as potassium and magnesium, are absorbed by the teeth and help remove stains. 8. Whitening toothpaste and strips. Use over-the-counter whitening toothpaste or strips as per the instructions. They are formulated with gentle abrasives and peroxide to help whiten teeth over time. Tips for maintaining white teeth. Brush and floss regularly. Brush at least twice a day and floss daily to remove plaque and prevent stains. Avoid stain-causing foods and drinks. Limit coffee, tea, red wine, and dark berries that can stain teeth. Rinse after eating. Rinse your mouth with water after consuming stain-causing foods or drinks. Use a straw. When drinking beverages that can stain, use a straw to minimize contact with your teeth. Give these at-home tricks a try and enjoy a brighter, whiter smile. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more great home remedies. Keep smiling, everyone.